If you've been looking at my videos about transforming a porch to a laundry room, and if you looked at some of my videos about putting a door in, now it's time to go back and put some trim around it. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some stopper trim around here. Put some trim, little piece of trim, about 3/4 inch trim. I'm gonna take and put up here. I'm put around the top on both sides of the door, so that help keep the door going past the latch. If you didn't put this trim in around the door, what happened? So there go the latch. If you don't put this piece of trim around it, it's gonna go past the latch. Just get your measurements on your trim. Stick it up there in place. See, I got me a little nail gun for my staples. Stick that up there. All I have is just that one piece in now. See, it won't go past the latch now. I'm gonna finish up, put a piece on both sides of the door. Not only putting this around your door will stop it from going past your latch, it'll block daylight and air as well. Right here, that door will no longer go past that latch.